If you want to add text to a photo on POCO F7 Pro, then first of all we need to open the gallery. Once you open the gallery, you should be able to select the photo on which you want to write something. Press this pen icon at the bottom of the screen, and then in basic option you should be able to find text if you swipe just a little bit to the left over here. So let's go to the text. Over here we have our example text, so here we can remove it and we can write anything that we wish to write on our photo. We can also change to style in order to change the style of our text. We can also change the font, but apparently no fonts are available. Over here we can also change the color of our text, and then let's press this check. Of course we can make it bigger, we can rotate it, and so on and so forth. We can also add one of these additional effects over here, so it looks pretty cool. And over here we can also, we can switch between the markup and the text, but that is essentially it. So now we can press this check in the bottom right corner in order to apply that text, and we can press save in the top right corner in order to save our edited photo. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!